Sophia, Clover, you're all boxed up. In 9 rooms, actually, with over 25 pieces at our magical Royal Prep Academy. Just look at how big this toy is. I can't wait to open it up and see everything it has inside. We're ready to play at the Magical Royal Prep Academy. Can we come in? All right, Clover, let's go in. First, the outside is just beautiful with all the details. And we have the front door and stairs up to the front door. And then we also have, at the Royal Prep Academy, a clock tower. Look at how beautiful that is. And the hands actually go around. But enough of that. Let's go inside. Merryweather isn't too happy. Clover, you just ran right in to be with Sophia. What are you guys doing? Wow, you're so happy to see each other. You're dancing in the ballroom. I love it. So our first room to show you right off the entrance is the ballroom where we learn how to dance here at the Royal Prep Academy. Merryweather is none too thrilled. She's in the garden area with flowers. Looks like she just planted some more. And now they're already blooming. I wonder where these stairs go to. We'll find out later. Right through the entrance, we have this beautiful princess throne. And there we have Princess Maya in the dining room. It looks like she's having cake and cookies. I am. Won't you join us? Not right now, Maya. We have a lot of room still to cover. We've only done 4. We have so much more. Now we're going to go way up those stairs to see what is going on up there. Oh, it looks like there's a music room. Yes, and look who we have here, Princess Hildegard. So on our second level, we have Princess Hildegard who's learning how to play the piano. And we have a music room where they study with all the books. And look what happens when we play the piano. Out pops a friend. I love all this furniture this Royal Prep comes with. There's the royal shield. And then as we come over, there is Prince James and Fauna, and they're learning their lessons inside the classroom. Or is it a classroom? Now, James, can you please leave us alone with the engineering family? Oh, all right. Now we're in the classroom, and that looks like a blackboard. But if you push this button right here, that yellow button, I'm going to go ahead and push it. It's a secret laboratory for all of the potions for the 3 fairies. Now we're up on the 3rd floor, and look who's there. Minimus. Wow, Minimus. Looks like you sure do have a lot of hay right there. What was that? You're now thirsty? Okay, turn around. Let's get you some water. So I'm going to take your trough right here, turn it around, and we have some water. There you go, Minimus. And then, next to Minimus are our bird friends and closed doors. I don't really get... Amber! We have Princess Amber and Flora. What are you guys doing in there? Is this where you take your art classes for painting? It's absolutely beautiful. Flora, why do you have your magical wand up in front of the library? Let's push that book because it doesn't look like it's real. Whoa! We have a secret library. Now that we're up on the 3rd floor, I wonder how we can get down all the way to the 1st floor. There's the 2nd, and there's the 1st. I wonder how we get all the way down there or up there. Princess Sophia, what are you doing up there? Sophia, where are you going? All the way up.
Time for magical music lessons, my dear.
Well, that is so awesome. Let's go to the 3rd level.
The library is the perfect place for princess practice.
Awesome, and we are on the level for the princess practice. Now let's go down.
good old RPA, you'll be taking your first steps to royalty.
RPA? Is that Royal Prep Academy?
Time to practice dancing with Clover.
Wow, I think we've already done that, Meriwether, Flora, and Fauna. Now let's see what other phrases you guys have. So let's go back up.
It's magic time in Royal Sorcery class.
Oh, that's where James was. Let's go up another one.
It's time for class, dear.
Yes, ma'am. Let's go back down to the bottom.
Let's learn some magical spells.
I think that's a great idea. And finally, back down to the first floor.
Royal music class is in session.
We're so happy you could join us, dear. Happy learning.
Thank you. Are you wondering how she goes up and down? Well, it's just this rose right on top, and you just turn it. And there you see the 3 good fairies right there. You just go ahead and turn it. And if you'll wait, we're getting to the first, the second, and the third.
Magical music lessons, my dear.
And she comes up and
Let's
clicks.
read in the Royal Library.
Perfect! I sure hope you get the opportunity to play with Sofia the First Magical Royal Prep Academy. It is really awesome. It comes with so much. If you could just push right there to subscribe here and tell us what was your favorite room on the Magical Royal Prep Academy, and do you hope to get this for a holiday present or a birthday soon? Leave a comment below. I think you're really going to like it if you get it. Bye-bye!
I hope you enjoyed the video. Now check out one of these 4 Sofia the First videos. Just click on the square and it'll take you to it. Also remember to subscribe to our channel. Have a good day!